So now the last part in Zotero is that how to create a reference list. So for that, what you have to do in the Zotero interface, you have to check all the papers for which you want to create a reference list. After clicking those articles, you just have to right click and choose create bibliography from items. After that, it will ask you that in which preferred citation style you want. So you can choose many citation styles are there. You can choose according to your need. Then here select the bibliography option, radio button, and the output method save is at RTF. After that, just click on OK. So the reference list will be automatically saved in your preferred location after clicking this OK button. So let me show you this, that in the Zotero interface, just select the papers which you want to include by control button. Simply right click and create bibliography from items. So again it is asking me about the citation style, and output mode is bibliography and output method is save as RTA. Just click on OK button and it will ask me the location. So I'm saving it on desktop, save. So it will save on my desktop. So here is the bibliography. So let me show you. So here you can see the bibliography is added, which papers I have